ngwijire obwe abanyeshengero bakiriyo mkinamo cyo kuferwa Honorable Cecilia Ogwal abirenajwekera abacyaro muri Dokoro district obwahati ni cyoreka ngo kwiha ishengere retandike ryo murundo w'11 abanyeshengero banani bo barjiro magara genseji umunyamakuru wetu yabasa kuba naturetera abo bona abarjiro magara genseji nane bakwasireho reka tubirebe.
What a very sad moment and what a very somber day for the country of Uganda, for the family of Jacob Olanya, for the National Resistance Movement.
Omurebe wa GNTV umurungi eryanyakazoba hona twabasa kuretera ebyafayo byishengero ryo murundo gwe11 kanangwa n'ababanyishengero bona abagenzere mbatorgamisho ningashi abagenzere bargomagara genseji bwanyuma y'ishengero rero ndatandikaho ningaratandika inshitamazaryo umwaka gw'2021 obahatiya emyaka yabe na yonka bwanyuma y'ishengero y'umurundo gw'11 aho no kurgayo kandi rakatandika gukora imirimo yaryo mu ndomo yangiri ya Uganda bitu ampagiza man omwishengerere zigenzero mission zitorga misho obwe barakutwarwa ibizo bitari mwe na bimwe ningashindwara zitari zimwe na zimwe omuntu wo kubanzo atorgera misho kandi hono abira ry'empaji mpango omwishengero iri murundo gw'11 kandi wabari umuntu wo kubanza akaba ari wabira ari umugambirizo w'ishengero ningashi wabira speaker owekitenisa Jacob Olanya owargireyo akafabiro yo kwezi 20 ebyo kwezi kwa kashatu umwaka no gw'2022 Jacob Olanya akafero mu ihanga rya Amerika umukibuga cyo kumanka cya Seattle ehiyabiragire futungo bujanjabi kandi honogo akatwire nategana subwa ekirurire cye kokoro ecyabire cyumuteganisa kandi cyargireho kikamuyiho mu magara gensi Jacob Olanya hona akafarizo bari ya Sunday ebiro byo kwezi 20 okwezi no akafizo bari ya Sunday ebiro byo kwezi 20 okwezi no kwa kashatu kandi hona mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda w'ikitenisa yoreka guta Museveni no yarigere yatyo kandi akahereza buri muntu wena kandi akakimanya ko mushija yargomagara gensi Jacob Olanya arukoza kufa hona kamazere kwezi kubona ari mu ihanga rya Amerika arukutungo bujanja babo kugira ngo akatwira inoboremezi kandi kikamuretere yabo muntu wo kubanza kuyiha government ya NRM zo mbwebembezi bw'ihanga rya Uganda okubasa kumara kireka cyo munonga ari mu gambirizo w'ishengero ningasha speaker aha kumushendekereza hona hakabaho akajashamaro nangwana katabanguko bwanyuma y'umuyaga gwabe gutamanyuro y'igwarigere korgayo kandi hona ngo kahiko mutenta habe hari yashandukeye gutyo kukikorera buri kimwe nangwa buri kimwe cyo nakakitera hanze yacyarigereyo kikagambisa bingi
that we should be serious about the death of our brother. And many people were ignoring us. When I was talking on the floor of Parliament, I told them, you have to be serious about the death of our brother.
What we have seen happening now, where the wind came from nowhere. The wind came and blew. It came straight to where Jacob, the body of Jacob Olanya has been laid to. The wind came with its own strength and moved majestically. This is a sign that a great person, a hero, today is a hero. Jacob is a hero.
And Jacob Akora Jacob Pumio Yat Ama
umwaka nuko gumwe gwe'2022 hona kutwabista kebirwe speaker kujangwa akaturgo misho kanangwa n'abamwe bacyo kumucurra hona nabwe umukwezi kwa 12 hakija haba hakagwe ahabiro byo kwezi 19 okwezi no kwa 12 umwaka no gwe'2022 hona nabwe wabira ryo munyishingiro babe nakikirira gishaze rya serere umushingiro kuri yihanga rya Uganda ryo murundo gwe'11 Patrick Okabe na watyo akargomagara gensi Okabe oguwe kandi hona akagumura ubutandu umwanya oguri kumanya ko gwana bowa hono guri kushanga mu district ya Budaka kandi izo baryo rwo kubanza uyabe argayo naza gukora imirimo yeye motoka yeye Land Cruiser registration number UBK Rwenda 95F kurga yete katemera na busobwantama n'iki trailer cyabe kirongera aba munacho cyukuzombi yacho kandi hono akafera hwahenyine akana tambura arakurugama akageye umurserere arakuje muri Kampala kuzakora imirimo ye yakuba karirizo ariyo rukubanza bitu hona tubura basikire kandi atiyo akaferaho kandi hona Okabe nawe akagambisa binje na munonga abababe barhono berebera nagabo bakatutebeza ko byagenzere.
Around 6:30 a.m. when speeding box body from Kampala going to Mbale, with a vehicle which was being driven by the son of late Pastor Okabe MP. The problem was that it was overspeeding.
Who was
the box body, a Kenyan vehicle, because it lost control almost 50 meters before it rammed into Pastor Okabe's vehicle.
Oh no, nageza akasibe motoka katageza okulaba ngeriye mulumba bulumbi evude ku side kune mulumba kuno nageza akatekemo livansi yetase mukwetasa kuno oliro kuva control badema zo muvula agena amukuba side yeno ngo nageza ko kujijjayo kuba kuliko konka ino kudeno umusajja kiki kumba umusajja kile bikabademo okusumagira nalaba emotoka ngo umusajja ayimiride ono owafiso mukwekanga nnyo asibimu ndugumu ate mu motoka okutandika okurwaninga neja nekuba motoka eno kwekulaba engeri gyeweddewo yonna naye abafiso bo teri akuseddwa ennyo bona bafuddemu nga balamu.
Hono ndijo munyishengero abari omuntu wa kashatu okurga yakargo magaragensi omwaka ogustira mabega habero byokwezi bibiri byokwezi kwa katano mwaka no 2023 abira state minister wa labor employment and industrial relations kano retired Charles Okero Engola owarjire kandogo akaterwa masasi.
Once you tamper with even the code of PDM, then it means you are fighting an enemy.
Nawe hona abenashitamo mwishengero eri murondo guye 11 kandi hone icyo cyaretera baba abantu bashatu abamaze korgo magaragensi umwishengero y'umurondo guye 11 Engola ogwakaterwa amasasa abo kugira ngo hona umukozi we sa private service akana mbanja bito kuchondoza kona kucyo kugenda misho kandi police yashoza arpota erukwatari yebyo.
Yesterday, some white birds crowded in my compound all over, even on the veranda, everywhere. Again this morning, the birds came back. Around 9 something, they took off. We have missed him. We never expected such, but
umunyishengero rukoreta inamba yaba bana hona no warigere kuturga misho bwa hatiya kandi hona takashendekerezibwe obacyo hono bagamba ho byinji owekitensa Cecilia Atimbabra Ogwal ogwohono wafira biro byokwezi 18 okwezi ko kubanza mwaka no 2024 rwakano rutitira mabega omuri India binji barjeno kumugamba ho byinji kandi kwaba ari umuntu murunji no kwarwanirira bugabe bwabishiki omuntu muyihangirya Uganda.
The Honorable Cecilia Ogwal was a great stateswoman who loved her country, and she will be missed dearly by all the people of Uganda, and particularly us, the women and girls.
Za asimu ahawaji NTV agarkoski
Nugwago nago bisasi konka katushabe beyongere okumurombusinje